Good afternoon, students, and welcome to today's session about the business analytics, in which we will see about the lecture number 34, that is data journalism. In last lecture, we have seen about the data storytelling, and now we will see about the data journalism. This question is asked in the GTU exam. So, data journalism plays important role in is aiming in journalists to find the way for the to write the different types of stories in future. So this is about today's lecture, that is outline. What is data journalism? Process in data journalism. What are the steps for data journalism? There are 7 steps for processes in data journalism. Data journalism tools. There are different types of tools which are available for journalism, like spreadsheet, visualization tools. So different types of tools we will see in detail. After that, we will see about the benefits of using data journalism skill. What type of data journalism skill is required and what are its benefits, that we will see in detail. So what is data journalism? It aims to help journalists. They are helping the journalists to start to develop the skills. We are developing different types of skills to write the data stories. That is called data journalism. Data journalism is a one type of journalism which specifies, increases the role that numerical data is used. They are using the different type of numerical data in the production and distribution. So it is used in the production of the product as well as the distribution of the information in the digital data. That is the definition of data journalism. It reflects the increased interaction between the content producers. So it reflecting the interaction with the content producers, as well as they are using the different types of field such as design. It uses in design as well as computer science. Data journalism is also plays important role in computer science as well as statistics. So it is the recent trend in business analytics, and it is the future of business analytics. What is data journalism? Where when you combine the traditional news for news, we are combining the traditional news for the news and the ability to tell a compiling story. What type of story is there with the sheer scale? What are the scale for it and the range of digital information? So it is digitally information is available for the journalism, and it is also play important role in available in business analytics. Data journalism can help a journalist. So it helping the journalist tell a complex story. So it makes the complex story through engaging infographics. So we are combining different types of graphs and making the journalist which uses the complex story for data journalism. Getting started with data journalism does not require huge resources. So for data journalism, we do not require huge amount of resources. We require some type of resources for data journalism. Next we will see process in data journalism. So first step is finding data. How we can find what are the experts knowledge or the database, how we can find the data from the database, that is important. Ability to use computer assisted reporting skills. So we will use the computer aided skills and technical skills like MySQL. MySQL is one type of database which is used in the which is used for the language PHP or the Python in data gathering. So we are using Python for data gathering. First we will find the data. Next step is interrogating data. So we will interrogate the data, means we combine multiple sources from data into single source by using the different types of query languages. A good understanding of jargon and the wider content within the data set. Statistics, a familiarity with requisite tools. So we will use different types of statistical methods like mean, median, mode, standard deviation and variance in the data set, and after that we will use the different types of tool for interrogating or combining the data in a single storage. Next is cleaning the data. Once we are combining data, now we will clean the data. To clean the data, that type of noise or missing value in the data, that we have to remove from the data set. So raw data can be difficult to make meaning of. You need to process that data. So we have to process that data set into the format which is easily analyzed. So we can easily analyze that data. We will clean that data by removing the outliers or the noise or the inconsistent data from the raw data. Fourth step is gathering the story out of data. Now we have cleaned the data. Now we will gather the story from that data. We will make how story is telling, how we will gather the story, how data is used in the gathering of story. The most useful output analysis is getting a story out of data. So useful output analysis of data journalism is we will get the data story of the data through the statistical or mathematical processing. We have to do one type of statistical or the mathematical processing for getting out the story of the data. So different type of statistical forecasting tools will be used, or the methods will be used, like mean, median, mode, standard deviation and variance, and also mathematical processing will be used for getting the story out of data. Fifth step is visualizing data. After getting story out of data, we will visualize data. We will convert that data into the different types of graphs or the flow charts. Um, um, Graphs like histograms, bar chart, line chart, pie chart. So these are the visualization of data. At this stage, data is converted into the information. So we are converting that data into information, and information through knowledge, through the using the different types of graphs like bar chart, pie chart, histogram, line chart, or pictures, diagrams and charts, flow charts. That is called visualization of data. Next step is meshing data. We will mesh up the data. We will mix the different types of data hierarchical way, and will combine that data into a single structure. The output at this stage is integrated with the web page. So we are in that stage we are integrating that data with the web page data or complementary elements from the two or more sources. We are combining two or more sources into a single source. Mashups are often created by using a development approach called Ajax. So mashups we can create different type of mashups will be created by in the development approach, that is called Ajax. Ajax is one type of tool which is used in .NET, that is in data journalism for business analytics. Now we will see the different types of tool. What are the tools for data journalism? So first is the spreadsheet, that is the Excel sheet where the data is stored. Almost every data journalist begin with the Excel sheet. So every journalist will begin first create the Excel sheet, what type of data is there, and that will be stored in the data set. Second tool is SQL, that is SQL stand for structured query language. So different types of languages will be fired, different types of query will fire, like data definition language. In data definition language there is a select command. In data manipulation language there are different commands like there like insert, update and delete command. These will be fired. SQL allows you to describe exactly the subset of data, what are the subsets of data, and you want to extract what type of information will extract or exchange the data to make it allow to perform these queries related to data sets. Third is data cleaning tools. So after data cleaning tools, we will clean the data. We have to remove the noise and outliers or inconsistent data from or the missing value from the data. So to clean the data and get into the useful format, you need to variety of tools. We have to use the different types of tools, data cleaning tools like Google Refine. Google Refine is one type of tool which will clean the data or remove the outliers or inconsistent data. Next tool is visualization tool. So there are different type of visualization tool will be there. Table we can use Tabular Public or the Google Public device. Good visualization will also allow you to see outliers. What type of outliers are there? We can see in visualization, and trends in way that can use alternately understand the data. What type of data is there and how we can visualize it, whether in one dimension, two dimension, three dimension, or in different types of graphs like histogram, bar graph, line graph or pie charts. Next is mapping software, how we can map that software. Google Fusion tables and the Tabular Public both include the quick and mapping capabilities. So these tools are using the mapping capabilities, how we can map the values of data in data journalism. Next tool is scripting language. So Python and Ruby are the most popular scripting languages which are used in the data journalism. Python and Ruby seem to be the current favorite languages for the data journalist, and they are using that tool for scripting languages like Python. Python is very easy to script, and it is easier than C language. Next is web framework. A framework will keep the boring, repetitive work out of your way, help you to adopt best practices. So it is one type of framework, web framework, that is like .NET. One type of framework will use the repeated way of work, and we can adopt the best practice, keep your organized way. We can organizedly way it and make it easier to collaborate with others. So we can combine web framework with different application also, like Windows application or the mobile application. Next is flexible editor. To write code, you need a code editor. So we have to, if we have to write the code in Python or Ruby, we need a flexible type of editor, that is code editor. Python is a one, in Python there is a Spider. Spider is one type of code editor which we can write easily code for the Python languages. Next is revision control. In revision control, how we are controlling that data using the data journalism tools, how that data is used in business analytics. Last is document analysis tool. In document analysis tool, different types of documents will be analyzed using that in Excel sheet, or data taken from the document will be analyzed, like in machine learning we are using the document tool, or in business analytics is a part of data science. So we are analyzing the data easily by using the document tools. So these are the different types of tools for data journalism. Next topic is about the benefits of using data journalism skill. What are the data journalism skills and what are its advantages of that skills? First is it helps you find and write stories. So we can find and write different types of story for the data journalism. Huge amount of data is required from the government on the regular basis, so we can write proper one type of story. Suppose example is weather forecasting. In weather forecasting system, we will take data and write the stories from the government in the daily basis. Second is it helps you to find the strongest stories. So we will find what type of strongest stories required and how we can quickly judge it using the data journalism. So these are the skills for the data journalist in business analytics. Next is data journalism can help a journalist. Data journalism will help journalists what are the complex stories and how we are using the visualization techniques. There are different type of visualization techniques, like we are converting that data into the information like graphs. In graphs we are using different types of graphs like 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, or histogram, bar graph, pie chart, etc. It can help explain why and how story relates to other individuals. So how stories in relating to other individuals, what are the what stories that doing benefits in data journalism. So these are the important roles of data journalism skills for data journalists. Data journalism helps open up the news gathering process itself. So data journalism play important role in news gathering. What type of processes is done in news gathering? Like in Times of India, they are using the data journalist, and data journalists write different types of story in that for gathering, after gathering the process of data. So these are the advantages of data journalism skills. This is about today's lecture, that is data journalism. Thank you student. Stay tuned for further lecture series. In next lecture we will see about the visual data recovery, and after that we will see about the embedded and collaboration intelligence. So these are the trends in business analytics.